Good evening, guys. Myself, Shipping PK. I'm working in software testing company called Testvox, which is located in UL Suburb Park, Calicut. Now, I'm going to discuss Redmine and how to use the Redmine tool very confidently. So, what do you mean by Redmine? Redmine is a free and open source web-based project management and issue tracking tool. It allows the users to manage multiple projects and associated subprojects. Also, it helps the teams to work by together. Now, let us discuss the main Redmine features. It handles multiple project support, flexible role-based control, flexible issue tracking tool, and multiple language support and multiple database support. Okay, now let us move how to create a project in Redmine. So this is the login page. This is the login details. When you click on the login, a page will be displayed. So when we click on the project module, so we have an option for to create a new project. When we click on the new project icon, a page will be displayed. Here the project details are we have to given. So first of all we have to given the project name. So I will give you as a mobile application testing, and then description field is there. If you want to add any description about this project, we have to add this. Okay, then there is a field called identifier, which the field name is to identify the project with this name. Okay, so I will given as mobile one as an identifier for this project. If you want to print any name in home pages, you have to given in this field. Okay, testing, I will get testing, right. So another option is a public. So if you click public checkboxes, everyone can see this project. This project details are kind of everyone can see that, but cannot edit or delete something like that. Okay. So these are the modules that are present in this project, and these are the trackers that are present in the this project. Okay. So I create when I click on the create button, the project is created successfully, and this is the settings. Okay. Okay, now I will create the members. Okay, when we click on the members module, there is an option for new member. So what are the members in a project? There is a developer team and a tester team. So first of all, I create a developer team. So I create some developers to this project who want to assign any bugs that are reported by a tester. So I click the role for them, and will be and I click the add button. So the developer teams are created successfully. So now I have to create reporters, that's called testers. So again we have to click new member, and we have to add the testers, and we have to click the role for that. Okay, when we click on the add button, the testers will be added to this project. So I created a project successfully. So when I go to the home page, you can see that, yeah, successfully we can see that mobile application testing, the project is created. So I will click on this project. First of all, they will go to the overview page. Here we can see the count of the bugs that are reported by the tester. How many open bugs are there, how many closed bugs are there, and the total count. Not at all it is bug. If it is a future, you can see the count. If it is a support, you can see that count. If it is suggestion, you can see also the count. And if it is task, you can also see this count. Okay, now I'm going to the next module called activity module. So here no data to display, so I will go to another project that you can see that. Okay, so this is another project I created already. So when I click to the activity modules, you can see that the activities of the testers that are due daily. Okay, so these are the daily reported bugs as you can see in the activity module. When I go to the issues modules, we can, okay, now we have to report a bug. How can we report a bug? There is a new issue option is present in the right. So when we click on the new issue, we have a page for that to report a bug. So the tracker field is there. This is a bug reporting. This is a, if it is a bug, you can select from the bug. If it is future, you can select from this drop down box. If it is support, you can select from there. If it is a QC suggestions, you can select, and if it is a task, you can select. Now I will select the tracker as a bug. Okay, then we have to type the subject of the bug. Okay, just I create an example for to show you. Now I am create a subject for this bug, that is print delivery details button is not working. So the subject is created. Okay, now if you want to add some description about this bug, you have to add in this field. Okay, so another option is status. Status is the what are the condition of that bug. If it is a new, we can select that new. If it is resolved, you can select most of fully it is new bug. Okay, then another drop down box is priority. Priority means is whether it is a bug is a normal bug, whether it is in a high or urgent or immediate or showstopper. Okay, each one can select from this drop down box. Okay, you can select as a high, you can select as a urgent, you can select as a immediate, you can select as a showstopper. Showstopper issue means that the developer team has to fix this bug immediately so the testers can execute the basic workflow. Okay, so now I will select the bug priority as a high. Okay, this is very high priority bug. So then the next field is assign button. We have to assign this bug to a developer. So suppose I assign to this, so I assign to him, so he can see the bugs as reported in the Redmine. Then at the right side there is a start date and due dates are there. If you want, this is not a mandatory field, you can select the due date for this bug. Okay, then another option is that choose file option is there. If you want to attach any screenshot of that bug that are reported, then you can attach from this option. Okay, so that's all about how to create an issue. Okay, then I will create it, click on create. So I created, so I reported a bug successfully. Okay, so the details are shown in there. Okay, it is added by some name less than a minute ago. So status is there, priority is there, assign is there, start date, due date, all of the things are there. So if you want to edit this bug, you can also, there's an option for this, you can also click edit option. If you want to edit, if you want to attach any more files, okay, then click on submit. We have to create report a bug successfully. Okay, this is all about how to create a project and how to report a bug and how to edit that bug. Okay, thank you so much for your valuable time. We'll see you on the next lecture. Thank you very much.